Hey everybody, welcome to Know How Beauty. Today, we're going to go over the top 10 ways to get rid of blackheads. Make sure to pay attention to number 4 as it's one of the best ways to fight blackheads. Before we start, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Number 10, don't sleep on your makeup. At the end of a long day, the last thing you may want to do is take off your makeup. However, sleeping with your makeup on is asking for more blackheads. If left on overnight, even non-comedogenic makeup can clog your pores. Non-comedogenic is a term used to describe skincare and makeup products formulated so that they're not likely to cause pore blockages and breakouts. Non-comedogenic is a term meaning not likely to cause comedones or pore blockages. One night of sleeping in your makeup is unlikely to cause long-lasting damage to your skin. However, each night you sleep in your makeup, your pores become more clogged. Eventually, this can result in the formation of a microcomedone, which attracts the acne-causing bacteria to your pores. Those with oily skin may want to consider using a foaming cleanser. Makeup removers can also be used before washing your face for extra cleansing power. Number 9. Pick up a skin brush. A face brush allows the dead skin cells to exfoliate quicker, and from that, produce more collagen, and gradually, you get tighter skin. Plus, it removes any oil or debris that's plugging pores and allows the medication to penetrate the skin better. A skin brush can also provide similar exfoliating benefits as AHAs and BHAs by removing excess dead skin cells. Susan Messick, MD, dermatologist and associate professor of dermatology at The Ohio State University Wexner Medical Center, advises caution. She recommends that skin brushes only be used occasionally, with a gentle cleansing wash, and avoid using a brush altogether if you have sensitive skin. Depending on your needs and budget, there are various skin brushes available to be used with your daily cleanser. Do not use an everyday body brush on the delicate face. It will cause your skin more damage than good. The body brush is not made for your face. Grab your wallet, head to the market, and invest in a good quality face brush, and you are ready to rock. Number 8. Invest in the right products. A good skincare routine is only as good as the products you use. While good quality products can help your skin look better now and in the future, low quality products can be ineffective and even cause harm. Here are some benefits of using good quality products. Quality ingredients. Similar to the benefits that healthy food provides your body, quality skincare ingredients can improve your skin. Protection from environmental damage, such as pollution. Help to fight the effects of aging, such as wrinkles and sunspots. Results for the money. Even if quality products cost more in some cases, they're worth the money. If you use ineffective products, you're wasting money. Exceeding standards. Quality skincare products are more refined with fewer bacteria and impurities. If you have acne or blackhead-prone skin, it's time you reconsidered your skincare products. Buy non-comedogenic products that are specifically formulated not to clog the pores. Low-quality skincare products are more likely to cause the following negative effects: ineffective results, infections, allergic reactions such as rashes, worsening problems by clogging pores, and causing breakouts. Number 7. Keep your skin clear all the time. Every time you step out of the house, your skin attracts dirt. If not cleaned well, it may lead to blocked pores, increasing the chances of blackheads. Makeup can have the same effect on the skin and might result in blackheads and even breakouts if not cleaned out completely. Always remember to remove makeup and wash your face before calling it a day. The benefits of facial cleansing are too many. A common benefit of facial cleansing is the removal of dirt, oil, and other unwanted debris. The skin on your face is continually covered with bacteria, pollutants, viruses, dirt, and old dead skin cells throughout the day. Daily facial washing removes these impurities to give the skin a fresh look. Without washing, your skin would be covered with a thick layer of dirt and grime, which makes it difficult for other products to penetrate the skin properly. Regular facial cleansing, along with the use of a good moisturizer, is also an important factor in helping the skin maintain a proper level of hydration. Dehydrated skin looks and feels rough, wrinkled, and aged. Cleansing helps manage pH levels of the skin, enabling sufficient water and product retention. Cleansing your face regularly will keep those blackheads away. Number 6. Facials. Getting facials regularly can help curb blackheads to an extent. Facials are a refreshing way to rid the skin of impurities, deep-seated debris, and restore the glow. Facials improve the skin's tone, texture, and elasticity by counteracting the damaging effects of air pollution and sun exposure. Refreshed and relaxed skin. With each facial, a facial massage is often incorporated. The massage alone works wonders on tired, wrinkled skin. Brown sugar, honey, and lemon juice make up this exfoliation mixture that you can use on blackheads on your chin and nose. Dr. Dane recommends mixing 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of lemon, and 1 tablespoon of raw honey. When it's mixed well, apply to your face in a circular motion, massaging it in for 5 minutes before rinsing it off and applying moisturizer. Here are other homemade facial masks that can help with various skin issues. Number 5. Exfoliate. If you have not started yet, it's time to include exfoliation in your skincare regimen. Use a natural or cosmetic scrub suitable for your skin type to slough off grime and dead skin cells from your skin. Concentrate on the blackhead-infested area while you're at it. Exfoliate at least once a week. Every 28 to 45 days, skin cells die and compact on the top of our skin. Exfoliation removes the dead cells, allowing the pores to absorb nutrients. The process will refine the top layers of the skin, making pores appear smaller. Another added treat is that it increases the oxygen and circulation in the skin. This gives the skin a healthy, radiant glow. The bonus to treating your skin well is that healthy skin will perform better. By removing the dead layers that are compacted on top of the skin, you essentially allow the skin to breathe better. This process will also make your serums and moisturizers last longer, because you're not applying them to dead, flaky skin, which does not absorb. Number 4. Avoid pore strips. You've already learned that picking, scratching, and popping any form of acne is considered off limits. Still, it can be tempting to locate some form of extraction to get rid of those pesky blackheads. In recent years, there's been an uptick in masks, pore strips, and extraction tools that promise clean pores. Although pore strips and masks may help remove junk from your pores, they can also remove elements that help your skin. This includes natural oils and hair follicles. Removing all of these elements can cause your skin to dry out and become irritated. When irritation occurs, your sebaceous glands may go into survival mode and produce even more oil, resulting in more blackheads. Other extraction methods include professional-grade metal or plastic tools. These purportedly work by removing clogged blackheads without scratching your skin. The key word here, though, is professional. Dermatologists who have years of training sometimes use these tools. When placed into hands with limited experience, extraction tools can turn into a source for scratches, wounds, and even scars. Number 3. Chemical peel. In addition to extractions, in-spa or in-office chemical peels will help get rid of stubborn blackheads. A peel is a great way to increase cell turnover and prevent blocked pores, which help to leave the skin clear and decongested. Chemical peels are traditionally used for anti-aging benefits, such as reduced age spots and fine lines. These peels often contain AHAs or BHAs, and they work by exfoliating the skin. In theory, smoother, refreshed-looking skin should be revealed after going through the process. Though they're not considered a primary treatment for blackheads, chemical peels can remove dead skin cells and shrink enlarged pores. This treatment method may be especially helpful if you're looking for anti-aging benefits too. Number 2. Charcoal mask. Not only does activated charcoal help remove dirt and other impurities from your face, but it also helps reduce the size of your pores as well. As pores become clogged with dirt and oil, their size tends to increase, which is why it's so important to keep your face as clean as possible. Thanks to their impressive skin clarifying results, charcoal peel-off masks are having a major moment right now. These super masks, which are designed to remove impurities, banish blackheads, tame excess oil, and minimize pores, are perfect for anyone with oily, breakout-prone skin. As a bonus, they're also incredibly simple to use. All you need to do is slather them on, wait the directed amount of time, and peel to reveal all the dirt and grime that was inhabiting your pores. Of course, as with any beauty product, outcomes can vary, so for safe and effective results, you should always buy wisely. Number 1. Clay mask. Clay masks help to draw oils and toxin out of the skin, which helps to unclog pores. Clay masks are often considered must-haves for oily skin. The oil-absorbing properties of clay make it ideal for clearing extra grease from the skin along with other impurities. Masks made from fuller's earth and kaolin clay can help clear out pores when used regularly on the face. This will eventually get rid of blackheads and make your skin smooth. Some clay masks also contain sulfur. Sulfur is another ingredient that works to break down the dead skin cells that make up blackheads. No matter which mask you choose, you can use it once a week in addition to your once or twice weekly exfoliating treatment. Cleanse. Wash your face with warm water and soap or a gentle cleanser. Make the mask. Put about a tablespoon or 2 of clay in a bowl. Apply the mask. Apply the paste with your fingertips, covering all the skin except the skin around your eyes. Let sit. Allow the paste to dry and rinse with water. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any more beauty hacks and much more. Check out this playlist of my top 10 skincare videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.